Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and blessed wish to all of us. With respect of the chairman of the English Committee of English Expo 2022. With respect of the judges and all the audience, and thanks to the headmaster of SMA 5 Kendari who's giving me an opportunity to represent our school. Ladies and gentlemen, imagine if you had to swing your hand just to have a little wind. It costs a lot of energy, right? But now we have electrical fan. All we have to do now is press the on button. It's very practical. Not cold enough? We have air conditioner. Same, we have to press the on button too, and that's also very practical. That was the example of the use of robots in daily life. Now you're wondering, what is robot truly is? Well, according to Wikipedia, robot is a mechanical device that can perform physical tasks, either with human supervision and controlled, or by using predefined programs, artificial intelligence. And now, I want to talk about robot can replace human job. Ladies and gentlemen, robot is a piece of hardware that is specifically designed to solve problems faced by human. It's a machine that's designed to assist or replace the role of humans in carrying out several tasks, such as heavy tasks or daily tasks. And the movement of robot can be adjusted automatically and can be controlled by humans. In robot, there are no sign of life because it is made from inanimate object, while humans are living beings. We can breathe, we need food, and others. With technological advances and the development of robots that increasingly massive, many are asking whether human activities will be replaced by robots. But is it true? In World Economic Forum report, robot, automation, and AI will be able to replace human job. And the number is not kidding. Namely, 85 million in 2025. Wow, startling. This shows that the presence of technologies will complement the role of humans in working and interacting. For the example, as we know, many household chores have been replaced by robots. Like to clean the house, now we use vacuum cleaner. To wash the dirty clothes, we have washing machine. In the kitchen, we have mixer, blender, and others. But of course, robots have negative and positive impact. As for the negative impact, 1. Robot will reduce employment because there are many robots that have replaced various human professions. 2. Makes human lazy because people nowadays always depend on technology and avoid to do things manually. 3. Makes energy crisis. Wow, energy crisis? How can? Let me explain. There are robots that using electrical energy, and the electrical energy that robot use is making CO2 gas emission. And CO2 gas emission is the largest supplier of air pollution. Wow, terrifying. Ladies and gentlemen, there are also robots that still need human supervision and control. Then there will be a new job that still needs human labor to master it. But don't forget, there are also robots that do not need human supervision and control. Therefore, like it or not, human will face that robot is changing the social evolution. So we, as a young generation, we must prepare ourselves carefully. Don't be lazy to develop yourself. Upgrade your skill. Think critically well. Sharpen the way you think, and continue to improve your competence in this field of science and technology. You don't want to be left behind by technology, do you? Well, the choice is in yours. I don't have choice here, but the choice is in yours. That's all from me. My name is Narada, and thank you for your attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.